Students, today's topic Rowlatt Act, March 18, 1919. We are going to discuss the topic. So, in this Rowlatt Act agitation, Gandhiji played main role. That's why before discussing Rowlatt Act, we are going to discuss the role of Gandhiji. So, you know that Gandhiji started Champaran movement, Kheda movement, Ahmedabad cotton textile mill agitation. So many agitations he started, but those were regional, only what related to some regions of the country. But when Gandhiji participated in the agitation which was started against the Rowlatt Act, Gandhiji became a national leader and he got the popularity as a national leader not only in India but also worldwide. So, before discussing about Rowlatt Act, 2 points: why this act was passed and what was the result we have to discuss. So, why reason we are going to discuss. First thing, why this Rowlatt Act was passed against the Indians? The main reason was that the First World War was started on 28 July 1914. You know that? Before thinking about that, about First World War, the First World War started what? In Europe, especially in Europe and England, France, next Belgium, Russia, one side, and especially Germany, Austria, Hungary, another side, Triple Entente and Triple Alliance, two groups were there. So, in 1914, the First World War started in Europe, but we supported to England only, who was fighting against Germany. So, for what purpose we participated in the First World War, which was started against Germany? The reason was that the British promised the Indians that after winning in the First World War in Europe against Germany, the English agreed to fulfill the demands of our Indians. So that was the agreement between what? British government and Indian National Congress. But what happened? The First World War came to an end in 1918. Then what happened? The British broken the promise and they did not fulfill the demands of our Indians. That's why what happened? the Indians become what? Not only jealousy feeling, but also what happened? They hatred feelings arised in the minds of each and every Indian. Why? Because before the war we fought on behalf of England against the alliance in Europe, and after the war they broken the promise. That's why we thought that these people have no what humanity, and we thought that these people were cheating and playing a drama. That's why no Indian believed the British promise, and their what thinkings and ideas they did not believe. We have no chance to believe. That's why they started what? Revolutions, agitations, hartals, demonstration against the British everywhere in the nation. So the British got shocked. The agitation became what? Extending, and what? Uncontrollable. That's why the British government appointed whom? Rowlatt, by name Rowlatt. Under his leadership, Rowlatt committee was established first. So who was the leader? Rowlatt, and he was the head of the Rowlatt committee, and according to his opinion he thought that we have to pass an act. That act was Rowlatt Act. The act has the power to arrest any Indian without any trial or conviction, and the government have the chance. The government has the chance to put behind bars anyone. Why? Because according to the Rowlatt committee under the leadership of Rowlatt, the act what? Got the power to imprison any Indian, to punish any Indian without any prior trial or conviction, without any judgment, without what? Any trial, without any intimation also. It imprisoned so many Indians who were started agitations all over the country against the British, who were promised to fulfill our demands before the First World War. So, common people lost freedom. At least they have no freedom to participate in the meetings, no freedom to start the agitation, no freedom to move outside. Such type of situation arised in the country. For what purpose this committee was established? To suppress the agitation, Indians. And in the same manner, the Rowlatt Act also worked. So what happened? Common people lost their freedom, independence. And another thing, people have no chance to act against the Rowlatt Act, which is totally what? Harmful to Indians. So at that time, some legislative council members, you know that, students, so when common people lost their rights and independence, at that time some legislative council members like Muzaffarul Haq and Madan Mohan Malviya, these members resigned for their post. Why? Because it is totally against the public. So that was the incident. Again, Gandhiji entered into the arena. Let us discuss about the role of Gandhiji against the Rowlatt Act. Let us discuss. Students, then Gandhiji entered into that situation, and first thing he called all the public by establishing Satyagraha Committee. Students, how Gandhiji participated? Gandhiji established a committee. The committee was named as Satyagraha Committee, established by Gandhiji. And for what purpose he established that Satyagraha Committee? To gather all Indian mass. And he, by gathering all Indian public, he advised to start Satyagraha. And he told that we have to start the Satyagraha movement against the Rowlatt Act by following truthfulness and non-violence. He advised the public, and what happened? He also declared 6th April 1919. So Gandhiji declared 6th April 1919 as a Satyagraha Day. On that day, what happened? All Indians gathered and started hartals. Hartals means strikes, demonstrations, and what bunds, everything happened, so that the English put Gandhiji behind bars on 9th April 1919. So it was spread to all the main cities of Ahmedabad, Delhi, Mumbai, some Kolkata, other cities, and later they left or released Gandhiji in a simple manner. Why Rowlatt Act was passed? That means after, before the First World War, the British promised us that if we won in the First World War in Europe, we may fulfill all demands of the Indians, and we were ready to leave India. But what happened? We believed, we fought on behalf of England against their enemy countries, and after the First World War they broken the promise and they did not try to fulfill our demands. So each and every Indian became disappointed, and they were in deep depression, and they started hartal strikes, bunds, and agitations everywhere in the country. So the British thought that the agitation will be stronger and it will not be suppressed. So that they made a plan. They called Rowlatt. The person who was the leader of the Rowlatt Committee. Government established Rowlatt Committee and gave the leadership to Rowlatt. That's why that act was popular as Rowlatt Act, March 1919. And Rowlatt got one solution to solve the problem, and he passed the Rowlatt Act, and according to that act, the British government has the chance to imprison any Indian without any trial or conviction, and they arrested so many Indians, so that all the Indians thought that common people lost not only freedom but also independence, and they become helpless. At that time, some legislative council members like Muzahirul Haq and Dr. Madan Mohan Malviya, such type of leaders also resigned from legislative council post. And another thing, after that Gandhiji entered into that politics, and he was also established a Satyagraha committee against the Rowlatt committee. And according to that committee, Gandhiji told that we have the right to start hartal strikes, bunds. We have the right, that those were common people right. So he declared, and he told the method of starting the Satyagraha. So the method was that you have to bear any punishment, and we must be truthful and non-violent. So the mass followed, and Gandhiji publicly declared before the Indians that we have to deny, we don't obey the Rowlatt Act. He gave the message, and he advised the people to start the Satyagraha movement.